I learned something new today. I was doing some research on the internet and I ran across this one web page where this guy says he always has, or nearly always has, frozen banana pieces in the freezer. And I thought, well, why didn't I think of that? When my bananas start to get really ripe and I think, ooh, I better use these things before they get too ripe, I can just cut the pieces up, cut them up into pieces, freeze them, put them in a bag, and then they'll be ripe but ready to use in the freezer, and they can stay in there for weeks, right? So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use some frozen banana pieces that I froze this evening, and I'm going to call this banana berry pomegranate smoothie because I'm going to use those ingredients. Let's make a smoothie. So into my blender jar, I'm going to be putting in 1 whole banana, frozen, cut up into pieces. I didn't weigh that, but just figure 1 whole banana. And then I have 1/2 cup of frozen strawberries. I weighed these, they came in at about 80 grams. Yeah, those are frozen to the bowl. All right. And then I'll probably have the same problem with these. 1/2 cup, 80 grams of frozen blueberries. Not at all. They came right out. Okay, take out my measuring cup. I've got some pomegranate juice here. I'm going to use 1/2 cup of pomegranate juice. So there's my 1/2 cup. And then 1/2 cup of coconut milk. And I think this is, each 1/2 cup is 120 milliliters, 1/2 cup. Ooh, that's an interesting mixture of color. Oh, you should see that. That looks like a pink cloudy sky. Interesting. I don't know how well you can see that, but I'm going to pour that in there. And then I've been debating, do I want to put in, yes I do, I think I do. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. So I have my flaxseed here, 1 tablespoon. It just adds a little bit more as far as nutrients go. All right, I can put this on a blender and mix it up. Turn my blender on here. Move the dial to number 1. I'm going to start this slow, and then I'll increase the speed as those ingredients start to grind up. Now, one thing I did see is you might need to add more liquid, this recipe said, and I'm definitely going to need to add more liquid. So, get out my measuring cup again, and I'm going to put about another 120 milliliters, 1/2 cup of these 2 juices again. Shouldn't call them juice, I guess. Pomegranate juice and coconut milk. And if I have to, I'll add more, because I want a drinkable beverage. I don't want a slush. Okay, let's start again. And I still don't like that. See, this is what happens when you work with recipes that I'm estimating no one ever tested. They just said, oh, this seems like a good idea. Let's put some of this in, some of that in. All right, try again. Now see, that's flowing nicely. All right, I could probably even add more liquid to that. Got an iced teaspoon here, and I'm going to see. That's almost the way I would like it, but it's still a bit thick. Boy, that's close. I'm going to do it again, a little more liquid. Pour that in there. And at this point, I can run this on low to just blend that. Beautiful color. All right, let's pour that into a glass and give it a taste. I love that color. Nice, deep, deep purple color. And let's see how many additional servings I have here. What with having put all that additional liquid in there. That's about 12 ounces right there. I'll top off my glass, and then that's about a 16-ounce serving there to enjoy later. All right. Finally, let's drink the smoothie. Got my straw ready. Oh, and I should mention, I could make these in advance enough times to work out the recipe until I get it perfect and then do the video. But I think sometimes, and I do that sometimes, but I also think sometimes it's good to see how you can adjust things on the fly when you need to, when somebody's idea of what's supposed to be a good recipe turns out to be not a good recipe at all. You can make these adjustments. Nice and cold. Well, that would be good on a warm day. And a really good fruity flavor. That's really good. See, all those berries come together, the pomegranate juice, and I can pick up the banana in there. That's a really good smoothie. So, excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy my banana berry pomegranate smoothie.